Hello everyone, it's Stephanie Manley with Copycat.com. Today I'm going to show you how to make a glorious ham salad. This is not a copycat recipe, but it's one from someone that I met, and she made the most fabulous ham salad, and she was nice enough to share the recipe with me, so I'm sharing it with you. This recipe is a little unusual, it's why it tastes so good. We're starting out with ham slices, like out of a package of lunch meat. So when I say ham slices, I mean something you would find in a package of Oscar Mayer brand ham. Don't get the expensive kind, because that's not what we're doing here. This is great, simple Midwest home cooking. Then we're gonna add a tablespoon of brown sugar to this, and we're gonna do something kind of crazy. We're gonna cover it up with water, and we're gonna cook it. We're actually gonna simmer it for about 20 minutes. What this does is it helps remove some of the saltiness from the ham, and the sugar comes in, and it makes it taste amazing, honestly. 1.5 tablespoons of grated red onion. So get your box grater, grate that onion up. 1.5 tablespoons of chopped gherkin pickles. Those pickles are sweet. We're only gonna add about 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise. I don't mean Miracle Whip, I mean mayonnaise, like Hellmann's or Duke's or whatever brand's local to you. Couple of teaspoons of the pickle juice that the jar of pickles were in. We're gonna pulse this a couple of times. We are not making a paste, we're just gonna pulse it to where the ham still has some structure to it. Salt and pepper it up, add a little bit of seasoning, because remember we took all that salt out by cooking it. You're going to season up the way you like. I like about 1/2 teaspoon of each. I'm just gonna stir this in and pulse it a couple more times with the food processor, and that's it. Now, I think this would work well with other types of cooked ham or some leftover ham, but this is anytime ham salad. So there you go, it is fantastic. I hope you enjoy this recipe and give this one a try soon. Thanks for watching.